Hello everyone, welcome to our fourth and final video lesson in Algebraic Simplification Part 2. In our last lesson, we were looking at removing brackets, and we considered the case of a positive sign before the brackets. For instance, where we have a plus open brackets b plus c close bracket, that would be a plus b plus c. And where we have a plus open bracket b minus c close bracket, after removing the bracket we would have a plus b minus c. And recall we said that if there is a positive sign before the bracket, the sign inside the bracket remains the same after removing the brackets. Alright, so in today's lesson, let us consider the case with negative sign before the bracket. Now, two cases. Case 1, 9 minus open bracket 5 plus 2 close bracket, and 2, 9 minus open bracket 5 minus 2 close bracket. Now we apply the two methods to both cases. Now, case 1, 9 minus open bracket 5 plus 2. The first method is to simplify the bracket first. So we have 9, then 5 plus 2 will give us 7. So we have 9 minus 7. So when we subtract 7 from 9, we're left with 2. Now, using method 2 is to remove the brackets. So we have 9 minus open bracket 5 plus 2. When we remove the bracket, we have 9 minus 5 plus 2. 9 minus 5 will give us 4. Then we have plus 2. 4 plus 2 gives us 6. Now, method 2 does not give us the same answer as method 1, except if we write the expression as this: 9 minus open bracket 5 plus 2 close bracket equal to 9 minus 5 minus 2. Now, note the changes we have made, which is in the sign before 2. We have changed the plus 2 to minus 2. So 9 minus 5 will give us 4. 4 minus 2 gives us 2. Now, this answer is similar to the answer in method 1. Therefore, we can conclude by saying a minus open bracket b plus c equal to a minus b minus c. Note the changes again in the sign. Now, in case 2, method 1, 9 minus open bracket 5 minus 2 close bracket equal to, first we simplify what is inside the bracket, which is 5 minus 2. So we have 9. 5 minus 2 gives us 3. 9 minus 3 gives us 6. Now, method 2. 9 minus open bracket 5 minus 2 close bracket equal to, now in this case we simply remove the bracket. That will be 9 minus 5 minus 2. 9 minus 5 gives us 4, and 4 minus 2 gives us 2. Also, method 2 in this case does not give us the same answer as method 1, except when we write the expression as this: 9 minus open bracket 5 minus 2 close bracket equal to 9 minus 5 plus 2. Also note the change in sign before 2. Alright, so 9 minus 5 gives us 4. 4 plus 2 gives us 6. So therefore we get the same answer as method 1. Therefore we can conclude by saying a minus open bracket b minus c equal to a minus b plus c. Now, to help us understand all of this, I'll make a general statement, which is, where there is a negative sign before the bracket, the signs inside the bracket are changed after removing the brackets. Okay, so let's quickly look at some examples to help us understand this concept. Example 1. Simplify the following by removing the brackets. 1. 16 minus open bracket 4 minus 1. 2. 24 minus open bracket 15 plus 8. 3. 15 minus open bracket 10 plus 2. 4. 5 minus open bracket 14 minus 5. And 5. 4 minus open bracket 6 plus 3. Now in each case, we're expected to simplify them by removing the bracket. Alright, so here's what our solution would look like. 16 minus open bracket 4 minus 1 close bracket would be equal to, first we have 16, then when we remove the bracket we have minus 4. Now since there's a minus sign inside the bracket and then there's a negative sign outside the bracket, that leaves us with plus 1. So we have this expression 16 minus 4 plus 1. When we subtract 4 from 16, we have 12 plus 1. That will give us 13. In number 2, we have 24 minus open bracket 15 plus 8. So first we have 24, then minus 15. Now since we have a positive sign inside the bracket, it means positive sign changes to negative. That leaves us with minus 8. So we have 24 minus 15 minus 8. First, to subtract 15 from 24, that leaves us with 9. And then 9 minus 8 gives us 1. In example 3, we have 15 minus open bracket 10 plus 2. Now, first we have 15, then minus 10, and then since we have a positive sign inside the bracket, the positive sign changes to a negative sign. That leaves us with minus 2. So we have 15 minus 10 minus 2. So when we subtract 10 from 15, we have 5, and then when we subtract 2 from 5, we have 3. Then number 4, 5 minus open bracket 14 minus 5. So first we have 5, then minus 14, then the negative sign changes to a positive sign, so we have plus 5. So in this case, we have 5 minus 14 plus 5. So first, let's rearrange them, bringing the positive sign in front. So we have 5 plus 5 minus 14. So when we add 5 to 5, we have 10. 10 minus 14. So when we subtract 14 from 10, that's the case of subtracting a large number from a small number. That leaves us with minus 4. And finally, in number 5, we have 4 minus open bracket 6 plus 3. So first we have 4, and then we have minus 6, and then the positive sign in the bracket changes to a negative sign. So that gives us 4 minus 6 minus 3. So first we subtract 6 from 4. That gives us minus 2. Then we have minus 3. Minus 2 minus 3 gives us minus 5. Alright, so quickly, let's look at more examples in this case. Example 2. Write the following without brackets. 1. A minus open bracket B minus C. 2. 5x minus open bracket 3y plus z. 3. Minus open bracket B plus C close bracket plus A. Number 4. Open bracket A minus B close bracket minus open bracket C plus D close bracket. 5. 3A minus open bracket 5B minus 3C close bracket plus 4D. And 6. Minus open bracket 2A plus B close bracket plus 4C minus 3D close brackets. Alright, so our solution will look like this. A minus open bracket B minus C close bracket. So in this case, the only thing that changes is the sign inside the bracket. That will leave us with A minus B. So instead of minus C now, we have plus C. In number 2, we have 5x minus open bracket 3y plus z close bracket. That would leave us with 5x minus 3y. Now the plus z changes to minus z. Number 3, minus open bracket b plus c close bracket plus a will leave us with, now we have a minus before the bracket, so we have minus b, and the plus inside the bracket changes to minus, so we have minus c. So that leaves us with minus b minus c plus a. And in number 4, we have open bracket A minus B, close bracket, minus open bracket C plus D, close bracket. Now in the first bracket, there is no sign before the bracket, so it remains the same, A minus B. Then in the second place, we have minus before the bracket. That will be minus C, then the plus in the bracket changes to minus D. Now in number 5, we have 3A minus open bracket 5B minus 3C, close bracket, plus 4D. So the expression will be 3A minus 5B. Then the minus 3C changes to plus 3C, then plus 4D. Now I'll leave number 6 for you to write. Now just take a few seconds and pen that down before we move on to the next example. Because there's a minus sign in front of the bracket, I'll leave us with minus 2A minus B, then plus 4C minus 3D. Alright, so quickly let's look at the last set of examples in example 3. And it says, remove the brackets and simplify the following. 1. 3A minus open bracket A plus 5. 2. 2 minus open bracket 4n minus 5. 3. Open bracket 9 minus 2a close bracket minus open bracket 4 plus 3a close bracket. Number 4. Open bracket 14x plus 5y close bracket minus open bracket 7x minus 6y close bracket. Number 5. Open bracket 3a plus 5b close bracket minus open bracket 7a plus 10b close bracket. Now here's what our solution will look like. Number 1. Now we have 3a minus open bracket a plus 5 close bracket. Now in this case, when we remove the bracket, remember the signs in the bracket change. So we have 3a minus a. So instead of plus 5, we have minus 5. When we subtract a from 3a, we're left with 2a minus 5. Number 2. 2 minus open bracket 4n minus 5 close bracket. That will give us 2 minus 4n, and the minus 5 changes to plus 5. So we have 2 minus 4n plus 5. And we'll collect like terms. That will be 2 plus 5 minus 4n. 2 plus 5 gives us 7 minus 4n. Number 3. Open bracket 9 minus 2a close bracket minus open bracket 4 plus 3a close bracket. Now when we remove bracket on the first side, we have 9 minus 2a. Then because of the negative sign in front of the second bracket, we have minus 4. Then instead of plus 3, we have minus 3a. So we collect like terms. So we have 9 minus 4, and we have minus 2a minus 3a. 9 minus 4 leaves us with 5, and then minus 2a minus 3a leaves us with minus 5a. Then in number 4, open bracket 14x plus 5y close bracket minus open bracket 7x minus 6y close bracket. Now when we remove bracket on the first side, we have 14x plus 5y. And when we remove bracket on the second side, we have minus 7x, then the minus inside the bracket changes to plus to leave us with plus 6y. So when we collect like terms, we have 14x minus 7x plus 5y plus 6y. So 14x minus 7x leaves us with 7x, and then 5y plus 6y leaves us with 11y. Now in number 5, open bracket 3a plus 5b close bracket minus open bracket 7a plus 10b close bracket. When we remove the bracket on the first side, we have 3a plus 5b. And when we remove the bracket on the second side, the sign in the bracket changes. So we have 7a minus 10b. then we can go ahead and collect like terms. That would leave us with 3a minus 7a plus 5b minus 10b. Now this is a case of subtracting a large number from a small number. So we have 3a minus 7a to give us minus 4a, and then 5b minus 10b to give us minus 5b. Alright, so here's a quick exercise for you to do. Number 1. Okay, and then exercise number 2. Alright, so you have 8 questions in all. Alright, so with this exercise, we'll come to the end of this series in Algebraic Simplification Part 2. Now, in our next series, we will be looking at simple equations. And in simple equations, first we'll be looking at equations, what equations are. And then secondly, we'll look at solutions to equations. And then thirdly, we'll look at balanced method of solving equations. And then lastly, we'll look at how we can check to see that our answers are correct or our solutions are unique. I look forward to our time together in the next series. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you. See you then.